Yes, hello. Welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. Thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. Today, I want to show you something briefly also. That is how to download different qualities of work in Canva, whether you want to print or you want it as a PDF, a PNG, all the file formats that you of your choice. All right, I'm going to start by, let's say, creating your design very fast and pick. I'm going to pick from the templates very fast. Let me pick any template here. Let me pick this. All right, let's say this is your design. You've finished designing your work. Just simply go to share and then go to download. As you can see, when you click share, there are several options. There you can link your work to different platforms. If you want to post to social media, you can post immediately, and there are so many other options, like you will see. If you want to embed it to a website, create a QR code for your work, so many options. You want to make it a public link view, but now we're interested in downloading. So I'm going to go to downloading option and click on download. You click on download, they will ask you to select your file type, that is the format that you want. So you click on the arrow and you will see different type of file types. So you have the JPEG, you have the PNG, you have the PDF standard format, we have PDF printing, and MP4 if it's a video, GIF, PowerPoint. Like I said, these are the options that are there. So if you want to print your work, you click on print PDF print. Now, there are also other options. Is it just going to be for digital use, or you want it to be printed in a professional way? Let's say you're going to use colored printers. All colors will be printed appropriately. So usually when you're going to send your work for printing, just you click on the CYMK option. That is very best for printing. Then after, you press on the download button. So your work will start downloading as soon as it finishes compiling it. Yes, and that's how you select different file formats and then download your work in Canva. Thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you for learning with me.